This is the moment a great white shark circled two fishermen's boats off the coast of Australia.
Seriously thought it was a baby whale at first sight, but yeah, it was a monster great white.
The female predator circled Jaden Grace and Joe Cook for about 45 minutes.
That is huge.
Eventually, the shark took a bite out of the boat, leaving behind scuff marks and scratches.
He just bit my boat. He just bit my boat.
The fishermen were unharmed.
Well, that's what the great white did to me boat.
They later said the encounter was a true bucket list moment.